Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best granite countertops is probably one of the most sought-after materials for kitchen and bathroom renovations, offering unparalleled beauty, durability, and a luxurious feel that elevates any space. But with so many colors, patterns, and edge profiles to choose from, selecting the perfect granite countertop can feel overwhelming. So in this video, we will explore everything you need to know to make an informed decision and find the granite that best suits your style and budget. Number 5. Granite Gold Sealer Spray. It creates a protective barrier against stains and damage. This will keep your stone surfaces looking their best for years to come. It safeguards your countertops, sinks, and floors from oil, water, and other spills. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. It's perfect for granite, marble, travertine, and more. It's specially formulated for all your natural stone surfaces. It's pH balanced and safe for food preparation areas. Simply spray it on and let it do the work. It's created by a family of stone care experts. You can trust it to protect your investment. Use it with Granite Gold Daily Cleaner and Polish for lasting results. Keep your stone surfaces clean and protected. What we like? It creates a strong barrier against stains and damage. It's also safe to use on food prep surfaces. If you prioritize safety and quality, and want a product made in the USA, this is the one for you. What people say? It went on easy. It worked really well. I had areas of granite that were absorbing water and they are now completely waterproof again. It went on completely clear, you can't see it at all. It was worth it to follow the instructions exactly and see the super glossy results afterwards. Granite before was rough and felt grainy, not anymore. The seal is easy to apply and dries quickly, although you should wait at least 24 hours for it to cure into the granite. The water test is a good indicator whether you need to reseal or to determine if your sealing is effective. Number 4. Giani Granite 2.0 Paint Kit. Tired of outdated countertops? It only takes a weekend to update your kitchen or bathroom with this amazing paint kit. Watch and see how easy it is. This kit makes it incredibly easy to update your countertops. Just 3 simple steps and you'll have a stunning, authentic granite finish. Get the look of real granite in 5 contemporary colors. It's durable, high gloss, and food safe, perfect for any kitchen. It's a low-odor, water-based formula that's easy to apply and creates a long-lasting finish. Plus, it's safe for your family. You can customize the look to match your space. The application is simple, and detailed instructions are included to guide you. This kit features a cool-toned white with subtle blue undertones. The final look might vary depending on your lighting and surrounding colors. This Giani Granite paint kit is 100% manufactured and packaged in the USA, ensuring the highest quality and standards. What we like? Transform your countertops in a weekend with its simple 3-step process. It provides an authentic granite look that's long-lasting. If you're looking for a quick and beautiful update, this kit is perfect for you. What people say? The instructions are very good, and there are links to videos to watch every step of the process. After watching the steps, it really seemed like a craft project and very manageable and very forgivable. The quality of the Giani Granite countertop paint is exceptional. The 100% acrylic formula ensures a durable and long-lasting finish. I appreciate the realistic texture and depth that the paint provides, mimicking the look and feel of genuine granite. Easy prep, easy to do, and the final results are outstanding. It has been holding up really well. It looked wonky for a bit, but I just left it alone. When I came into the kitchen the next morning it was fine. It dried out or whatever but was 100% back to being perfect. Number 3. Giani Granite 2.0 Kit. Give your kitchen a stunning makeover with our easy-to-use countertop paint kit. It's perfect for updating formica, laminate, or even existing granite. With just 3 steps, you can achieve a beautiful, authentic granite finish. It's so easy, you can complete the project in a single weekend. Choose from 5 stylish colors to match your kitchen's design. Each kit covers a generous area, perfect for most countertops. It features a self-leveling epoxy topcoat that creates a glass-like finish. This provides superior protection and lasting beauty. It's low odor, low VOC, and food safe. The simple application process makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. This kit is 100% manufactured and packaged in the USA, ensuring the highest quality and standards. What we like. This epoxy top coat adds an incredibly durable, glass-like shine to your countertops. Application is simple and straightforward. If you want the toughest, most resilient finish, choose this option. What people say. The instructions are very good, and there are links to videos to watch every step of the process. After watching the steps, it really seemed like a craft project and very manageable and very forgivable. The quality of the Giani Granite countertop paint is exceptional. The 100% acrylic formula ensures a durable and long-lasting finish. I appreciate the realistic texture and depth that the paint provides, mimicking the look and feel of genuine granite. Easy prep, easy to do, and the final results are outstanding. It has been holding up really well. It looked wonky for a bit, but I just left it alone. When I came into the kitchen the next morning it was fine. It dried out or whatever but was 100% back to being perfect. Number 2. Giani Marble Easy Epoxy Kit. Give your kitchen a stunning makeover with Giani Marble Epoxy Countertop Paint. It's a simple 3-step process that delivers professional results. This kit makes updating your countertops incredibly easy. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can achieve a beautiful, marble finish. Everything you need is right here in one convenient kit. It includes all the tools and materials to cover an average-sized kitchen countertop. The new, high-gloss epoxy top coat provides superior protection against stains and water damage. It's as tough as engineered quartz. It's safe for interior use, has very low odor, and is zero VOC, so you can enjoy your new countertops without harsh fumes. The specialized primer hides discoloration, burns, stains, and minor scratches, giving you a flawless finish. The mineral colors create the look of beautiful marbled quartz. With Giani Marble, you can transform your outdated countertops into a stunning focal point. Create the kitchen of your dreams. What we like. Get a stunning marble look with a super durable, high-gloss epoxy top coat. It's also incredibly low odor and safe for your home. If you want a beautiful, healthy, and long-lasting update, this is your best bet. What people say. This kit truly makes it an easy process. There were several flaws in my counter and the backsplash wasn't smooth, so you can still see a slightly bumpy texture, but the counter itself is now super smooth, just like glass. If you start with a smooth product, the better the results. The directions provided were clear and included everything plus more that you need to know. It really looks like I spent good money to have these professionally done. The veining is time-consuming and might drive you a little crazy, but if you get it right the result is worth it. They feel solid, haven't scratched, and have held up to use so far. Number 1. Easy Faux Decor Countertop Wallpaper. Give your kitchen a stunning makeover with our easy-to-apply countertop wallpaper. It's waterproof, durable, and perfect for updating your space without a major renovation. This isn't your average contact paper. It's waterproof, heat-resistant, and scratch-resistant, built to withstand daily use. It's designed to last. Enjoy the luxurious look of marble without the high cost. Its glossy finish adds a touch of elegance to any room. Applying it is a breeze. Simply peel and stick to any smooth surface, countertops, walls, even furniture. No messy adhesives or complicated tools required. Transform your kitchen, bathroom, or any other space with this versatile and affordable solution. It's the perfect way to update your home decor without breaking the bank. It's made with a 5-layer vinyl construction for superior durability and protection. It's tough enough for high-traffic areas and even outdoor use. What we like. This peel-and-stick wallpaper is waterproof, scratch-resistant, and incredibly budget-friendly. It's a simple way to update your kitchen or bathroom. If you're on a budget and want a quick, easy transformation, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It took me an entire day, and a few not-so-nice words, to do by myself, but I did it and was surprisingly happy with the results. Extremely pleased with the durability. I cook and clean daily. The thickness of the product actually outdid my expectations. It was easy to apply. Took less time than I would have spent getting our son to a soccer game and back. This stuff looks gorgeous when it is installed. Cheaper than new countertops and way faster than any paint or epoxy kit. It looks so good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.